Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. JJ here. Just want to say hello and welcome once again. Right now I know you don't see my face, but you see my keyboard. I have had this keyboard for approximately a year, and this is what it looks like. You can barely see the keys. You barely can see the E. You can barely see the see, I'm going to the what the hell now. You can barely see the I. I don't know what this key is. I guess I'll have to guess what this key is. Oh, that's an O, and this is a P. This is an A. This is an S. And I hit the space bar, and guess what happened? It paused the video. But at least I know I can press one key to pause the video. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this keyboard and this mouse here, if you all can see it. These I got from Walmart with headphones for 60 bucks. I got them back about a year ago. This is the Lexma gaming mouse, the GS 300 Black. Now, as you can see, I definitely beat the keyboard up. But anyway, my question is there a keyboard my fat fingers can handle? Or it can handle my fat fingers, let's just say. But anyway, let me know in the comments below. And like and subscribe. This is just a question I had in my mind. Is there a keyboard that can handle my fat fingers? But anyway, we will see you the next time, and do enjoy your evening.